So in this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can be an organized student. And by the end of this video, you're going to be as organized as a robot. My name is Valerie Okorie and this is VAL'S View. I see you! So VAL'S View is all about me telling you how you can be the best student that you can be. Whether you're in high school, in college, or just a student at heart, I see you and I understand. So, with no further ado, let's get into this video. So, number 1, keep a diary. You're like, diary? Like, Valerie, I'm a guy. How will I have a diary? Or you're like, man, people are going to be reading my diary. Why should I keep a diary? No, not that kind of diary. We're talking about a diary whereby a diary that can help you in your normal school or normal work life. Okay, now what do you do with a diary? First of all, you write your set goals and you also break them down into smaller tasks in your diary. 2, you can also write your deadline and your dead date. Your dead date, sorry guys. You can write your deadlines, okay, and also relevant due dates, wedding dates, event dates, even exam due dates. Write them down. Assignment due dates, write them down in your diary, because with this you're going to be more organized, more focused, and know when you have what. Okay, and very awesome thing to do with your diary is adding your to-do list in your diary, because when you have your to-do list in your diary, that means your diary is with you at all times, and every time you check up something in your to-do list, you check out on your diary, so you can always update this diary. So why is a diary important for you? Why? A diary helps you to set and achieve your goals, and also it helps to organize your thoughts. So when your thoughts are so scattered, keep a diary. Let's get things organized. Up next is have a filing system. Okay, so having a filing system cannot be overemphasized, because have you ever been preparing for your end of semester exams and all your notes are scattered? You really don't know what to do. That's because your files and your notes are not well organized. Sorry. But I have a solution for you. You can actually just buy a simple binder, or you can also just buy labels to label your notes. And if you can't do that, just have a simple bookshelf like this to organize your textbooks and your notes, and everything is just going to be simply amazing. So it's just that simple. And also, having a filing system compartmentalizes your brain. You will not be all that confused all the time, because every single time, all your books, all your notes, everything is arranged. Okay guys, so let's move to the next point. So 3. Plan your day the night before. Yes, the night before. I know how much we all love to press our phones before bed, but guys, if you really want to be organized, you gotta let go of that habit. Alright, so what should you do? How can you plan your day the night before? Let me tell you. First of all, before you go to bed, take your diary, as I said in number 1, and write all the things you want to do the next day. And since you've already put some of your due dates, you can keep yourself up to date whether you have any lectures, any exams, any important events that is going to be happening the next day, so you're not caught unawares. And one awesome thing about planning your day the night before is getting your outfits ready the night before, or getting your meal ready also the night before, because you don't want to be late for lectures and wondering what will I wear, because nobody likes that. No, nobody. And also, your meals is something that wastes your time in the morning. So when you plan what you're going to eat the night before, you are good to go. So it's just like you're being a robot. You're like, you wake up in the morning, you're like, up to my wardrobe to get my outfit. straight to the kitchen to eat. You know, everything is just well arranged for you. So if you don't want to be zombified, get organized and plan your day the night before. Okay, sorry guys. 4 is get a good night's sleep. OMG, how I love sleeping. And this is why I might say that I'm organized, because I like to sleep. So I cannot say this well enough, because sleeping cannot be overemphasized. If you really want to be organized, you have to get some good night's sleep. So I know we all want to party in the weekends and do some amazing things with friends, but sometimes we just have to take a chill pill and just sleep. Because when you sleep, your brain actually reactivates itself, it reboots and it gets better. But if you're always active every single time, you don't give your brain time to recharge. It is said that we need up to 6 to 8 hours of sleep every day. I manage 6. You can take more as you want, but just try to have some sleep, because nobody wants to be looking like a zombie in the morning. We are trying to make you an organized robot, not a zombie. Where's my anatomy note? Where's my anatomy note? Where's my anatomy note? That was me then, and this is me now. This brings me to my 5th, last but not the least way of you being an organized student. And that is just simply being calm. Yeah, I know things can get so overwhelming when deadlines are looming in, when you've not submitted your assignments, and when the finals are also coming in. You have so many exams to write and so little time to prepare. But I have the best solution for you. Try to be calm. How can you actually be calm? Try or practice mindfulness meditation. This will help you to actually fully understand yourself and be able to, whenever you're feeling too anxious or being too scared or being afraid, to remind yourself that everything is okay. Always tell yourself that everything is okay. Like what I like to say, Hakuna Matata. I'm not singing. Just know that it means no worries, because everything is okay. Do you have any other ideas on how you can be an organized student in college or in high school? Please leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'm going to read it so that every other person can also find out and be more educated about being organized. And also, if you have been in these same situations, tell us your experience in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe so others can also see this video and learn from it. Thank you guys for listening.